Okay, so we discussed that when charge is at rest, they create electric field. They have electric field surrounding whenever charges are at rest. So this is electric field around a charge. This is a charge,
सर
stationary charge. Yes.
सर फिर से बताया, मैं अभी भी आई हूँ।
जी जी. So whenever a charge is at rest, so electric field is around that charge because charge is at rest. But when charge moves with stationary means with a velocity v, constant velocity. Okay, so it will have a magnetic field that will be also constant in time because it is moving with a constant velocity. If it is moving with constant velocity, okay, so moving with constant velocity. Okay, but when charge is accelerated, because it is kinetic energy will also be constant when charge is moving with constant velocity, so it is kinetic energy will be also constant. But when charge accelerates, charge accelerates, okay, so when charge accelerates means it is velocity changes, then it produces electromagnetic wave. How it produces electromagnetic wave? Because it's changing kinetic energy. That energy, kinetic energy, is converted into uh, electromagnetic energy. Okay, so when charge when charge accelerates, it produces, it converts its changing kinetic energy into electromagnetic energy. Okay, so it is kinetic energy is changed into electromagnetic energy. Only accelerated charges can produce the electromagnetic waves. Okay, because they produce changing magnetic field, and a changing magnetic field induces changing electric field. Okay, so you know that electromagnetic waves are made up of electric field and a magnetic field. So there is the way to produce the electromagnetic wave. This is origin of the electromagnetic wave. So how, what is the origin of electromagnetic wave? There is through accelerated charges. So origin of electromagnetic waves is through accelerated charges. So when charges accelerate, their kinetic energy changes, and their kinetic energy is converted into electromagnetic waves. Okay, so how electromagnetic waves are produced? They can be produced by changing currents. Okay, so this is origin of electromagnetic waves. So how electromagnetic waves are produced? So simple circuit through which you can create electromagnetic waves are known as LRC circuits. Through this circuit you can produce electromagnetic waves. LRC circuits. Okay. How LRC circuits are made up of? You have an energy source, external energy source. Okay, and that energy source is connected with a circuit. That circuit is known as LRC circuit. The LRC circuit is made up of a capacitor and inductor. Okay, so this is inductor, so this is inductor. Okay, so this is inductor, and a third is resistor. Yeah. Yeah. So these are three components. One is inductor L, this is capacitor C. Okay, so energy source, and this circuit is known as LRC circuit. So LRC circuit consists of a capacitor, an inductor, and a resistor. So you oscillate actually charges through this circuit. Okay, so charges can be oscillated between capacitor and a inductor. So if there is a charge here, any charge, okay, so these current oscillates between inductor and a capacitor. When they oscillate between capacitor and a inductor, they are accelerated, because when inductor is fully uh, filled with magnetic energy, then capacitor is empty. When capacitor is fully charged, then inductor is empty. So energy oscillates between capacitor and a inductor. So it means charge oscillates between capacitor and a inductor. When these charges oscillate between capacitor and the inductor, so they are accelerated. When they are accelerated, they are connected with a antenna. So this circuit is connected with an antenna. Okay. So how antenna is a electric dipole. So if I draw an antenna is just like this. So this is circuit, for example. Okay, this is capacitor, and this is inductor. Okay, and this is resistor, and this is capacitor. This is circuit, and this is our antenna. Okay, antenna. This is dipole antenna. Okay, so it is consist of two rods. Okay, this is one is positively charged rod, other is negatively charged. So this is antenna radiates the energy. Okay, so that energy is radiated in form of electromagnetic waves. So electromagnetic waves are radiated by the antennas. Okay, so antenna is just a dipole. Dipole means they have two different charges. So in antenna, you oscillate charges, and these oscillated charges accelerate, because oscillation means acceleration. So these waves are created. So these waves are created. Okay. So these are, there is an antenna that produces. How antenna produces? So in antenna there are charges. Okay. So in antenna there are charges. This is, for example, antenna. Antenna is like this. This is antenna. Okay. So antenna first, for example, this is positive. and this is negative. Okay, this is negative. Okay, so first electric field is from positive to negative, because electric field is always from positive to negative. Okay, so there are large number of charges. Electric field is from positive to negative. Okay, and as a result, when cycle completes, okay, for example, first they are here, and then these positive charges come down and the negative charges go up. So now electric field is like this. Okay, so like that. Okay, so when charges are at origin, means at zero, at this location they are zero, the this wave is detached from the antenna, and this carry the kinetic energy of the charges in form of electromagnetic wave. So as a result, electromagnetic waves, okay, electromagnetic waves changing electric field produces that changing electric field produces the magnetic fields, changing magnetic fields. As a result, because these fields are perpendicular to the electric fields, these are for example magnetic fields. So as a result, that magnetic field again produces an electric field, changing electric field. Okay, so these fields produce electromagnetic waves. So first the charges accelerate, and the acceleration of charges change the kinetic energy, and that energy, changing energy, produces electric field, changing electric field, and a changing electric field produces magnetic field. As a result, a wave is created. That wave is known as electromagnetic waves. Okay, so speed of electromagnetic waves is speed of light. That was predicted by the Maxwell, and he found the value of speed of electromagnetic waves. Yeah. So you can see here electric and a magnetic field are perpendicular. Here you can see, and speed of light is perpendicular, direction of propagation is perpendicular to the both fields, electric field and a magnetic field, and it has no component in direction of x. So if you have antenna, for example this is antenna. Okay, okay, and if you have antenna this, so the antenna, the direction in which charges oscillate. So for example charges oscillate up and down. Okay, Okay, if this is length of antenna, for example, this is length of antenna. So charges oscillate like up and down. So charges always oscillate in up and down. So waves does not move in direction of the charges, in the direction in which the charges oscillates, but rather they oscillate in direction perpendicular to the charges, motion of charges. So you know that when you switch on radio, so you keep your antenna, you change your direction of antenna. When antenna is perpendicular to the receiving electromagnetic wave, then it uh, receives proper signals, and you listen without any noise. Why? Because the antenna, you change the direction of antenna. And you know that in ancient time, when there was the antenna system, at that time you used to change the direction of antenna to listen the to watch the channels properly, because at that time you used to change the direction of antenna according to the electromagnetic waves transmission, so that you can watch the TV properly. Okay.
सर
Yes.
सर ये पिक्चर में जो सी है ये कैपेसिटर है
ये कैपेसिटर है.
नहीं सर, सी जो स्पीड ऑफ लाइट है ना, उसकी बात कर
इसमें
रही है।
यहाँ पे ये सी स्पीड
सर
ऑफ
ये
लाइट है,
वाली
ये सी स्पीड ऑफ लाइट है, दिस सी इज स्पीड ऑफ लाइट.
यस सर, हसन भाई सही बोल रहे हैं.
ठीक. ओके. सो प्लीज if you have any question regarding to this, you may ask. Okay.
सर
Yes.
आपने लास्ट में जब ये बताया कि चार्जेस
RLC.
ऑसिलेट कौन सी वाली उसमें करते हैं, डायरेक्शन में करते हैं, वो बात समझ में नहीं आई. उसमें आपकी जो आवाज थी वो कट रही थी, वो फिर से आप बता
जी
दीजिए.
ठीक है, मैं करता हूँ. ये हमारा कैपेसिटर है, दिस इज कैपेसिटर, एंड वी हैव दिस इज our oscillate inductor.
सर
Yes.
सर इतना पीछे से नहीं, बस आपने लास्ट में जो कहा था ना कि उनकी डायरेक्शन के बारे में, वो वाली बात बता दें.
अच्छा, डायरेक्शन वाली बात. ठीक है.
हाँ
Okay. So इस तरह है कि फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू हैव एंटीना, दिस इज डायपोल एंटीना, and you oscillate charges like this, up and down. You oscillate charges like this. Okay. So electromagnetic waves like in this plane, and can be in this plane. Okay. But they cannot be in this plane or in this plane. Okay. Because motion of charges is like this. Okay. So electromagnetic waves are not directed in direction of motion of charges. Okay. So therefore here it is written E and a B is 0. You can see E, why there that is written as E is equal to 0 and a B equal to 0, the direction of propagation is this. Okay, so this is direction of propagation. In direction of propagation, electromagnetic waves have E and the B component are 0 along the X, and also the direction in which the charges move, in that direction also your electromagnetic field and the magnetic field are 0. Okay. The electric and the magnetic field are uniform behind the advancing wave front and a 0 in front of it. So you can see that, okay, from the figure. So if you apply Gauss's law on electromagnetic wave, so total electric flux and the magnetic flux will be 0 because these fields are same. For example, if we draw an electromagnetic wave like this, for example, this is electric field of electromagnetic wave that is changing with time. Okay, this is E field. Okay, and if you draw magnetic field, that will be like this. This is magnetic field. Okay. Okay, so this is magnetic field. So electric field is up and down, and a magnetic field is into the uh, screen side, screen and out of the screen. So electric field is up and down, and a magnetic field into the screen and out of the screen. So if you draw a Gaussian surface, it will enclose no electric flux in the magnetic flux. Okay, so the electric field there is here, the same electric field is down. So total magnetic flux across this surface, Gaussian surface, will be equal to 0. Okay. So you can see here the magnetic field is the same on the left and the right sides of the Gaussian surface. So the total magnetic flux through the surface is 0. So E and the B flux is 0. This would not be true if either had a component in X direction. So you can read from this passage that here the magnetic field and electric field have no component. Yes, Kashish? Okay, so component in X direction is 0. So along the X direction there is no electric field component and a magnetic field component. Okay, so we can now apply Faraday's law. Okay, we can apply now Faraday's law and another law, that is Ampere's law. So we will calculate the speed of light. So now we will calculate speed of light. So we will use these both laws. One is Faraday's law. So this is Faraday's law. Okay, now our topic is speed of light. Okay, so next topic, speed of light.
Sir,
What is the speed of light?
sir,
Yes. Ji. G, speed of light. Okay, so Maxwell found the speed of light through the equations, and that speed of light is very correct and very near to the experimental value of the speed of light. Okay, so how he calculated the speed of light? So we have a little bit derivation. So we will calculate, we will drive that through the Maxwell's equation. Okay, so first we will use the first Maxwell equation. This is E dot dl equal to minus rate of change of magnetic flux. Okay, so this equation we will use, and for example we have this is a wave. Okay, so this is a in wavefront. Okay, and we draw a this imaginary path. This imaginary path. Okay, this is imaginary path, and we will calculate this equation. Okay, E dot dl. Okay, so E dot dl. Okay, so how we will calculate E dot dl? E dot dl equal to minus d phi b means magnetic flux over dt. So this is equation we will use to calculate, means we draw an imaginary surface at this location. Okay, so this is an imaginary loop, and we want to calculate the left side. This is left side and the right side. So we want to calculate both across this hypothetical loop. Okay, how we will calculate? So there is a, this is very simple. Yeah. So first calculate how much flux is there across that loop. Okay, so you can calculate the flux across that loop. So flux, you know that flux is equal to flux, magnetic flux, that is equal to B into area. Okay, B into area. Okay, that is known as flux. B means magnetic field, A means area of the region. So you know that the distance between this wavefront and this wavefront is C dt. C dt. How this came? Because you know that S is equal to V into T. S is distance. So this is distance S, and this V is speed of light. So distance between two wavefront will be equal to C into dt, time between the interval. So that is distance between two intervals, two wavefronts. Okay, so flux will be equal to magnetic field and area. So area will be, this is length, and this is A is width. So this will be the area of that square. Okay, so if you multiply B with C dt A, this will be the flux across that square. Okay, So we calculated the flux because we are calculating, we have two sides. So one side is this E dot dl, this is left side, and the other side is minus d phi by dt. Okay, so we will calculate first this and then we will calculate this. Okay, so this d phi b will be equal to b c dt a. So if dt is cancelled with dt, so this will become okay. So d phi by dt will be equal to this will be our d phi by b over dt. Okay, so this is value of d phi b over dt. Okay, so this is the right side we calculated, right hand side. Okay, then we will calculate left hand side. Okay, so we will calculate now left hand side. Okay, so left hand side is, this is left hand side E dot dA. Okay, sorry, this is E dot dl. Okay, it is written wrong, so this is E dot dl. Okay, there is dl, E dot dl. Okay, so now we will calculate the E dot dl integral. Okay, how we will calculate E dot dl? So this is, you can see that this is a loop. Their loop is EFGH. Okay, so and this is electric field. Red lines show electric field, and the blue line, this is side view of this figure. So you can see this upper figure, this figure by the side. Okay, so you can see it is side view. Okay, so in side view electric field is up, electric field is in this direction. So electric field from the side. Okay, so this is electric field like this. Okay, and the magnetic field is coming out of the page. If you see this picture from the side, okay, so we have drawn this loop to calculate E dot dl. We have drawn this loop R cell is. So electric field at this location is 0, means at this portion. Okay, so if you calculate electric field E dot dl for the 4 paths, one path is this EF, GF, GH and HE, means you will calculate 4 integrals. E dot dl means E dot dl from E to F, E dot dl so I draw on left side Okay, so we have one integral that is from e to f e dot dl, and second is h to e, okay, and e dot dl, and a third is g to h e dot dl, okay, and a fourth is g to f, okay. G to f, okay. So these are four integrals we will calculate across this region, okay. So you know that here at this location, electric field and the path are perpendicular. So electric field, this integral will be g to f will be 0. So this integral will be equal to 0. And this integral will also be equal to 0 because there is no electric field. Okay. So there will be, this integral will be equal to 0. And this integral will also be equal to 0. Okay. Only this integral will contribute because electric field is not 0 at this on this path, okay. Only on this path electric field is not 0, okay. Along this path electric field is 0. Along this path means along all these path, three paths electric field is 0. So there is, you can see below, so it is here written that so these are written here that three integrals, this integral, this integral, and this integral, three integrals value is 0. Only one integral whose value you can calculate, there is this integral, okay. So you can find its value as minus e because electric field is upward but integral direction is downward, so there will be negative sign. So you can see up in this figure, okay. So you can see in this figure that only this integral contributes. So here electric field is up, red electric field is upward, but path of integral is down. So that E dot dl, there is only g to h does not equal to 0, and its value will be minus e a because a is the length of the path, okay. So this is the value of E dot dl. So now you know that E dot dl is equal to minus d phi by E dot dl equal to minus d phi by dt, okay. So you can put values, all values. E dot dl value we found it, there is minus EA, and we also calculated this value of this, that is equal to, that is written down here. So there is this, we put equation value in equations, and this is the equation when we put value of E dot dl and the value of this minus d phi by dt, and this is value of E dot dl. Okay, so now we put the value in that equation in Faraday's law. So now you can see here that A is cancelled. Okay, so A is cancelled and a minus is cancelled. So E becomes value of E, you can see BC. Okay, so there is value of E is equal to BC. B means magnetic field, C means speed of light. Okay, okay, so this equation you calculated, E is equal to CB or BC. Okay, and now we will use another equation, that is Ampere's law. Okay, so we will use Ampere's law. This is Ampere's law that we will use. Okay, so this first we calculated E. Okay, so now we will use this equation, then we will use both equation to calculate the speed of light. Okay, so now this equation has also two sides. One side is this left hand side and the other side is this. So we are inside the capacitor. So inside the capacitor, this conduction current is 0. Okay, IC is 0. Okay, so conduction current inside the capacitor is 0. So you can see here. So inside capacitor, IC is 0. Okay,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
सर हमने एक एम्पियर्स लॉ की जब इक्वेशन पढ़ी थी म्यू नॉट आई वाली, आप वो
जी।
वाली यूज नहीं कर सकते हो?
नहीं वो क्योंकि वो कंडक्शन करंट के लिए थी बस, क्योंकि कंडक्शन
और
मतलब वो ये कैपेसिटर के अंदर आप ये यूज नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि कैपेसिटर के अंदर जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है दैट इज चेंजिंग, उसके अंदर कंडक्शन करंट नहीं है। ये कंडक्शन करंट का मतलब है कि वो करंट जो वायर से फ्लो हो रहा है चार्जेस की वजह से, और जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट है ये वो करंट है जो चेंजिंग इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की वजह से जो प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है। ठीक है,
ठीक सही।
ओके,
थैंक यू सर।
okay, so now we will use this equation. So this is this equation, this is Ampere's law, and we will be using this law to calculate, okay, because magnetic field here in this equation, magnetic field is produced due to the changing electric flux. So therefore we will be the term, this term, that is the term electric flux is changing, electric flux is producing magnetic field. Okay, okay, so you can use this figure to calculate the magnetic field. Okay. So this figure now we will draw, because magnetic field is in this direction, okay, and electric field is in upward direction, okay, and this is length of the path. We have drawn now this square, this rectangle, okay, and the length between two wavefront is c dt. Again same, the length between any two wavefront is always c dt, because from the formula S is equal to V into T. Okay, so magnetic field is coming out of the screen and electric field is in upward direction. Okay, so now we have two sides. Okay? So we have two sides, B dot dl mu naught epsilon mu naught d phi b d phi e over dt. So we will calculate this side and this side, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so to calculate that, so first we will calculate this right hand side. This is right hand side. Okay, so right hand side you can see that, you know that flux, electric flux E is equal to E into A, electric field into area. Okay, so you know that E is constant over this surface, and this is area. Area is length into width. So this is width and this is length. So this, we are calculating this, okay, area of this square. So length into width. Okay, so A is this width and this is the length. Okay, so we will calculate, we multiplied EACDT. Okay, so this is the flux across that square. Okay, so we have to calculate this, because you know that the side left hand right hand side is equal to epsilon naught mu naught d phi over dt. So into E, we have calculated this. Okay, this, the value of that is equal to EAC, because dt is cancelled. Okay, so we got this term. Yeah. So now we will calculate the left hand side. Okay, so left hand side, to calculate left hand side, you may see this figure from the top, this figure. Okay, so this figure view from the top. Okay, so view this figure, especially this part from the top. Okay, so if you view, the electric field is upward, okay, and a magnetic field is coming out of the screen. So this is, we can draw as electric field is in this direction if you see from the top, and a magnetic field will look like these dots, these dots. So like dots, magnetic field is coming out of the screen. So you can see this picture. Okay. Okay. Okay, if you see from the side, okay, here because we are calculating the second this side, that is this side. Okay. This side b dot dl. Okay. B dot dl. Okay. So if you see from the top, so magnetic field, here you can see again picture. Okay. So this will be that blue lines that represent the magnetic field, and the red lines, red dots represent the electric field. Okay. Because you are viewing from the top. Okay. So if you see from the top, so electric field will be coming because electric field is upward. So electric field will be, because electric field is like this and a magnetic field is like this. So if you see from the top view, so you will see this blue lines is magnetic field and these red dots is electric field. Okay. So now you can calculate the both sides. So you have calculated first right side. Now we will calculate the red side, left side, that is b dot dl. Okay. So how you will calculate that b dot dl? Okay. So b dot dl, to calculate that b dot dl, okay, so all sides will be equal to 0. Only one will contribute. Okay. So you can see that all these integrals will be equal to 0. Here it is the same situation as we discussed in the previous section E dot dl. Okay. So here also you can see that on this path, along this path, b dot dl will be 0. Along this path, b dot dl will be 0. Along this path, b dot dl will be 0. Only this path, along this path, b dot dl will not be equal to 0. Okay. So only that path will contribute to the magnetic field. Okay. So that part you can see. So we calculated that path. This is equal to b dot dA. Okay. So we calculated now both sides. So we had both sides. One side is b dot dl, that is equal to b into a, and the second side was mu naught epsilon naught d phi e over dt, and we calculated also this side. Now you can put that value into the max equation and you will get you can put that value in this. Okay, and you will get eventually this value. Okay, so AA is cancelled, so B becomes mu naught epsilon naught and a E into C. Okay, so this is value of B. So we calculated B from the second Maxwell equation, fourth Maxwell equation. Okay, means the equation that was rectified by the Maxwell. Okay, so now so this is value of B. Okay, and we have already calculated value of E. Okay, so you can see this was the value we calculated from the Faraday's law. E is equal to CB. Okay, and we have this value from the Ampere's law. So we have calculated this and this. Okay, so we have calculated both. So now we will put that value in the above equation. So we put, because you know that E is equal to CB. So if we put here value of B, there is this value. Okay, so E will be equal to E, that will be equal to E C square mu naught epsilon naught and E cancels, so there will be 1. Okay, so there will be only 1. Okay, so you can see that value of C square is from this, C square is equal to this, and the value of C is 1 over mu naught epsilon naught. So this is the value of okay, so this is value of C, speed of light. So we were required to calculate that.